He was born into slavery. He was taken by holy warriors. He was told to leave attachment behind. He was expected to obey. He did not listen. Canadian artist Chris Woods presents his new series of epic paintings titled SANDSTORM. Inspired by the events of the original Star Wars trilogy, SANDSTORM steps into the black metal boots of cinema's most notorious villain and reveals how he felt. Mr. Woods needs your support in executing this amazing new series coming to the Reach Gallery Museum in Abbotsford, BC for the summer of 2013. Please visit indiegogo.com/sandstorm for details. Even the Dark Lord himself might say about SANDSTORM, impressive. Most impressive. indiegogo.com/sandstorm.